Well, I'm not a flat earther.
Leo claims that he is not a flat earther, so I think it's time to look into that subject. Let's start.
Is this the worst ever Globe Earth defender online? Tell me.
10 things all flat earthers say.
Well, I'm not a flat earther, but seeing as YouTube at the moment is pushing middle-aged men that dress up as teenagers in my suggestion box, I'm going to entertain you, sweet cheeks.
Gravity's a myth.
No, I'm only speaking for myself here, alright? I'm a demonstrable realist, not a flat earther.
Level Earth Observer, or Leo, is desperate to convince us that he is not a flat earther. If I only had some method to determine if he is a flat earther or not. But wait, I have! In my top secret archives, I have all the information I need to determine if Level Earth Observer is a flat earther or not. During my 4.5 year debunking flat earth, I have archived everything regarding flat earth that I made videos about. And I know that I have a credible source in my archives, so let's look in a bit further on this one.
Today I'm going to follow the path of propaganda and misrepresentation, and in doing so I'm going to expose the globe. You'll notice on the videos where I discuss the shape of the earth, I have this put underneath the videos, YouTube allowing this Wikipedia link here for context apparently. Flat Earth Wikipedia. The flat Earth model is an archaic and scientifically disproven conception of the Earth's shape as a plane or disk. Now, no one on this Earth has refuted my fundamental claims, which is demonstrable science, which can be tested and verified by all, the results of which prove the globe scientifically impossible. So straight away, there should be no reason whatsoever that this Wikipedia link is allowed to be put underneath my videos. But we're going to entertain this link and highlight the skullduggery at play here. Bear with me. Then of course I go to the link. The first thing I'm met with is a map that's not my claim. So we've got a map that's not my claim linked to my channel by Wikipedia, allowed by YouTube. Pure propaganda, and again, like I said, a misrepresentation. Remember, the flat earth is simply demonstrable science to be tested and verified by all, the results of which prove the globe scientifically impossible. That's why they
And there we had one credible witness regarding if Level Earth Observer is a flat earther or not. But wait, I have more.
Got sent this the other day. Thought we'd have a quick look. This is the start of it, and already we can see problems. Why do people believe in the flat earth theory? 1, objective reality is not a theory.
And there
2,
we had one more. Are you convinced? No problem. I have one more.
So what is the flat earth? Let's have a look. So I've typed in flat earth into Google, and all I've got is silly cartoons. This isn't the flat earth. This is propaganda, strawman maps, misrepresentations, scientifically impossible globes. So it's clear Google doesn't know what the flat earth is. It tries to push something as the flat earth, but when we look at it, it's quite obvious propaganda, nonsense. So I've done the same with YouTube, in search of this flat earth. And what do I get? More propaganda. Just tosh. Absolute tosh. Nothing that I would call the flat earth. Just propaganda, plastic debunk videos where essentially someone's debunking something that isn't the flat earth. Or is a
So there we have 3 statements that proves that Level Earth Observer is a flat earther. And if he's not a flat earther, He's obvious a liar, then he lied in those 3 videos. It's no problem, I have more. I have a lot of Level Earth Observer videos in my secret archives.
Destroy.
Regardless Leo is a flat earther or not, I have proven in this video that he is a liar. If you hear him say that we misrepresent him, link him to this video. Hope you like this video, I will be back soon. Have a nice day, bye.